I don't feel answer the question.
As African woman, as a man for Africa, we need to satisfy a woman well. You get so. I really know what they cause them though, but me I know say as a man, you need to satisfy a woman well. Make she reach orgasm because if she not reach orgasm, she go outside go look for that man.
That one one personal maybe manners or one personal makeup how she take dey. You understand? For some people, them be like that. For some people, it don't be their own behavior. Say if you know use tongue or all those kind of stuff, she no go feel reach orgasm.
Well, it depends. I don't know where the woman don't reach before she come my house. But medical wise, they get time what they use for her. So, well, some men no prefer cunnilingus, so she know. So, anyway, we go share manage you anyhow. Understand?
You know, say some women, the sports where they get for their body, women they get plenty places where they make them go crazy. So if say now your woman waiting they make her dissatisfied, now make you give her head. Why? Suppose give her the head well, make she enjoy her. Serious, so that all of everything go well. And you self tell her waiting yourself you like, and she go do it for you. Waiting she self like you do it for her, and everything go smoothly.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now see Bobozian on top of Wazobia TV. And if you just join us, matter what they talk about today. Now say if you get babe, when we say she not agree come unless you give am head, which you adekwoju. Waiting the cause. That's the matter what they talk about.
Before we talk about the cause, because I get one cause where I feel no way they cause am, or even two causes itself. But I know say women get if they want draw line of woman coming. Most women own day longer,
of course,
than man.
Of course.
And that's why most times they good make man they do the foreplay.
Way.
And one of the foreplay we feel help the man because sometimes maybe about you. I mean, not about the lady, now you self. Because if you do the foreplay, it they save you much stress
and energy.
You call the one. She never reach. So for woman now, if that the line be this. If you begin to do all those foreplay, give her mutu adepoju, you don't kind of reach like 40 or 50, depending on how good you did. By the time when you don't know, say she don't reach that place, some of them people come, they are first coming. When you give them the head, you understand? Then you can't do the real cracking, they'll come the second one. Now, your work go there easy for you. How come waiting?
How come you come Sabi Odisela as a virgin?
No, I don't. You say it's about me.
Don't you feel very useless now?
No, let me tell you.
No, within you.
Let me tell you.
Within you. Just look at your people. Look at your people. Tell them that you are a virgin. Can you remind them again of you being a virgin?
Let me tell you.
No, remind them that you are a virgin.
Everybody watching, they know that some people with their house know, say, even you might be a virgin, but you know this thing I'm saying. Like now, this is what I talk now. Person will be virgin and don't learn. Abi?
Because myself, as I did, me will be saying I'm well traveled. To discuss this matter self tire me.
You know that? No, let me tell you. Let me tell you why I don't tire you.
Why?
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you.
Why?
These things, they're very useful to your relationship. Because as a busy man, where you go be, I don't care how strong you feel say you did. Someone like you now, no go take Burantashi.
No, Burantashi. So, my own body tashi. If I go to Burantashi, join my own natural body tashi.
Don't be deceived. I tell you, now, majority of the girls where you feel say you don't crank, where they form say you feel say they don't dey okay. Never really dey okay.
No, see, you cannot feel. Me, I cannot crank girl feel say she dey okay. I will know if she's okay or not.
How will you know? How will you know?
Now what for you?
Get the fake orgasm.
Which fake? You don't need to fake orgasm. You don't need to fake what you
fake. They fake her now.
My brother. Not be when I give you to the one I know say now what for you?
No, I know for you, yes.
No matter
I don't say you know for you. I don't say
okay, but wait. I want to ask one question. Question now. If we talk of this orgasm thing, self and this head of a thing from woman, you know, say I dey hear this gist. Correct me if I'm wrong.
I will.
Say some babes with them circumcise. It dey hard for them to read down.
That's why I mean they come yes, but that's why they come the love.
Say it they have.
Now why they come the love dollar team. And they watch this I don't know if you know that lady which they call her that Ghanaian girl we get one show at home with we get
I don't know.
You don't know one you get one Ghanaian girl where they do one talk show. So she interview one lady like this for
that lady where they do sex lessons for Kenya.
Like, this one na Ghana. There's one I watch. But this one, the girl where they interview, talk how, say, for Ghana, I get one village, they circumcise all of them. Say, as she did, say, when they carry them go the training, the reason for that, I say, they don't want to make you love or enjoy sex. Okay. Say, as she did here, so now, she don't feel date anybody again because all the men don't leave her because she know they enjoy sex. They try everything. She know they say, but now she come out to tell people, say, when they circumcise you, you understand? But her parents now, those days, they feel say, because they don't make their children, their girls spoil. Because people are saying, this thing they call clitoris, where girl they carry. As if it did, why? Na English word, na clitoris, Sakara. Clitoris. This clitoris, when they rub on top of the skirt.
Since your opinion.
No worry, we'll go come back.
Since your opinion.
I don't know.
I'm sorry.
I don't know. I know be medical doctor.
I don't know. I don't know, seriously, I don't know.
I don't know that one, no. That one passed me. I don't know. I don't know.
Make she go hospital, go check herself.
It depends on her exposure. I think it depends on the exposure. It depends on how she started.
For me, I think it's a demand fault because before you go, what make woman feel, make your orgasm feel release and all that. I think they get some things where you go do to her, like touch some places. So the man fault, you have to be romantic and all that. So for her to easily, her body feel open well. Because if her body still stiff, it's not go flow well.
I don't know, but I believe say that kind of person. Me, I be woman of God. I dey like to, when things like this happen, I believe say with God anything they possible. For me, na prayer I go say, Baba God, wetin dey happen. If na medical issue, if na anything, no matter how much I go meet doctor, but now you get finance, say, rectify this thing for me. I think I'll go hospital, make them, meet a psychologist or a gynecologist, make them check me, wetin dey happen, or then go ask me questions. But aside that, my final rest na God do.
Yes. So now welcome back. Now see Bubbles here and we day. And this body hot when we they watch that one where we say our women then they talk. I beg. Really. When it comes to this circumcision thing, it be like say it be like the major factor.
Now one. I
be like saying the major factor. Why?
This circumcision thing because me I totally dey against that thing because I don't meet girls where they circumcise. That girl will come on that show of that. Now her own problem. Of no enjoyment, no because they circumcise her.
No.
You know how many girls? I know ladies where they circumcise.
Shakara, which lady where you know
Shakara, listen, based on experience, I don't date girl. Wait, I don't date girl where we say they circumcise her. This babe, after we crank finish, after cranking, she go see like that, they touch herself.
He talks in her mindset. I want to answer
you. No be mindset.
Shakara, hold on.
She always talk herself. The babe they always tell me straight. The babe they open up, they tell me if they come, wait. The babe they always open up, tell me straight. Say, come, guy, see as I be. No matter how you crank me reach, I no go reach this level. But if I finish, I go want you touch myself small. No, say I go even still reach there. Now just make I just get that small.
I was saying something about clitoris. God knows stupid. It's a human part. God will put out for woman body. He knows say you get function.
Who tells you that the clitoris is the cut off?
No, that's side. They touch that area.
It's a skin that's covering.
Yes, no,
that
skin.
That skin. I don't make people get you wrong. People where they watch us now.
Okay.
When you say that they cut off clitoris, no, you cannot cut off. What do you say?
No, be the clitoris they cut.
It's
but they affect that skin, that layer.
Your manhood,
when they peel off
your manhood, get this guy cover. Cover like if you want piece where they don't cover, you go to cover like say bend.
Of course.
So that thing is like a skin. You understand?
So why they don't leave the skin for? Why they leave it for man? Let me tell you, Shakara, everything we go put for your body, you get reason.
You know what? Now, mindset. Well, let me clear that mindset issue. That guy did not tell her, say, if they don't circumcise you, you will not enjoy sex.
No. Let me tell you. The guy said she no.
I don't agree with you.
They don't tell them say that the reason be this. But say she they go person go meet this guy say come. come and crank me.
You know,
No,
many
crank
girls
us.
with a
Let me ask you. Let me tell you.
Where I'm
Let
from,
me tell you.
Where I'm from, the Yoruboland, they circumcise virtually every
Okay,
lady.
let me tell you that's not my set
And
now.
they come if you the level of sex, I don't know like how they run them down. They enjoy sex, they make love, the children everywhere, even some born, they don't even know the papa.
Now, I just want to tell you now, Shakara,
what are you
listen to
saying?
me. It dey hard before you see babe wey dem circumcise wey go enjoy sex. You know why?
It's
Because
not that
that
hard.
actual
It's
circumcision
what
thing
you
na
have
very
known.
very sensitive
It's
Now,
what you have
let me
for
let me
woman
tell you
nature
why
wey
I
say
say no
God put am
mindset.
there. E dey very
There's
very
a second
sensitive.
reason to why another second reason why most women they like me you go down on them, give their head. For instance, now lesbians. If you have been all your life, you be lesbo, because any lesbian before they do, woman must always go down there.
Definitely.
Suck. Use anything. So when they can't reach the real, when they can't now they date man, and the man, all the man they do now today one fire. There's no how. It's not mindset. It's something you are used to. If you like cigar,
So
if you don't smoke
she
cigar,
now, and they come now. She used to
I
the
don't
fire.
get time. I don't get time. Why?
Without circumcision. Is that what
Why?
you're telling me?
she's used. See, let me tell you, something don't come up for her body.
You know,
when they
you know how many lesbians we don't talk to buy, they do both.
Shakara, so to you now, give me one word. What if you say the cause and woman know they come if in you say in guy must give her head?
Now individual problem. No be every woman. Now you know they come with you. Say
no, now one of the problems with that, yes. One, Phoebe, individual.
Giving of head is not even a problem for a woman not to come. Do you understand? There are women that, okay, as a woman now, some women that they believe say until you do them this thing, now they come. But they go meet guy, we go do them something else.
I understand
when they
your
never do them
mindset.
before. But they come find themselves say they come.
But one
You
quick
understand?
question.
Yeah, no matter what,
Shakara, show man, one quick question.
woman where they only like make you the crack her from in
A back.
from in anus, before you go fit come. How you feel say you
Many
reach
women
that
dey
level?
crack from anus.
Then
From back different from anus. So.
No, I mean anus.
I bet money no
You mean
worry.
anus? How many women dey crack
Until
from anus?
another day, part 2 again. Part 2
Now
on
the
this topic with the
nonsense
kind